In this video, I will show you how to lock your Shopify store. If you want to restrict access to your store while you're still building it or making changes, Shopify allows you to enable a password page in just a few steps. First, log in to your Shopify admin dashboard using your account credentials. Once you're inside, click on Online Store from the left-hand menu, and then select Preferences. On the Preferences page, scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. Here, you will see an option to enable a password for your store. Simply check the option that says Enable Password. Then enter the password you want to give to visitors. You can also add a message that will be shown on the password page, such as "Our store is coming soon" or "We are working on updates." After setting everything, click Save to apply the changes. Now your Shopify store is locked, and only people with the password can access it. That's how you can lock your Shopify store. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.